Hello, welcome back to BrickSpy. We're going to be unboxing set number 7636, the Combine Harvester. This is part of the City Farm theme of Lego, and we've done the other reviews. This is the second to the last set, the next set being the farm itself, which I'm kind of excited for. So let's look at this box and then unbox it. As you can see in the bottom left corner, this is a limited edition set, and the value's gone up quite a bit. I think I spent about $40 on it. It's much more than that now. I almost don't want to unbox it, but what fun are Legos if you don't open the boxes? But let's look at the front. Ages 5 to 12, 360 pieces. Modular building, easy start. Most of them are that. Let's go to the back. So this is pretty cool. I'm really excited to build this set. It looks super awesome. So you've got your modular building bags here. Look how dusty this is. See, all my sets are very dusty because I haven't built them. So here's a couple of the other sets that I have. I actually have those sets. And I don't know if you really want to see the sides, but let's look. Blah, 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 blah. Let's hurry up and look at them. And he's upside down, but who cares, right? That's upside down too. Edición limitada! Did I say that right? So let's open this bad boy up. See what we got. My handy dandy little knife. I don't have my X-Acto knife. I need a new thing to open these up. Something fun. I'll have to figure something out. So let's see. Ooh. A tire just rolled away. I have to go get it. I'm back. Let's see. Let's organize these puppies up. 1, 2, 3. Got some unique pieces, perhaps. Yeah. This should be a pretty fun build. But there's nothing in here that I haven't seen before. The tire. It's actually a piece of rubber. That's really awesome. I love that thing. But wait a minute. Shouldn't there be two? Yes, there's the other tire. There's the other tire. That is hilarious. Come out of there. Come on, come out. He didn't want to come out. But it's like a real tire. Actually, Lego tires are real tires. At least I think they are. So we've got one book. Wait, we got one book, right? Yep, nothing else in the box. And it is 75 pages. Can't wait to build this. Oh wait, what's this stuff? They look like straws. They're the Combine Harvester blades. Pretty awesome. I don't know why they are. And here's our stickers. So let's all be excited for the set because I am excited. And the next video I'll be doing is the build video, but I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. If you're not, give me a thumbs up, please. And as always, thank you for watching BrickSpy, and have a great day.